everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, which is quite shorter than my usual videos, we are popping into Home Bargains because my local Home Bargains finally have Mrs Hinch home decor collection. I can't wait to show you. So you would have seen this beautiful picture frame, which is only £1.99, and I do believe they have two sizes. They also had this beautiful lamp which looked like something from Neptune or the White Company. Also fake greenery because spring is coming. I can feel it in my bones. They also have this beautiful basket which looked like it has some sort of organizers or like separators on the inside. I did not figure it out. I'm gonna be honest. If you know what are they for, please share with us down in the comments below. They also had this beautiful diffuser and these beautiful throws. And look at the pillows. I was so happy to see something blue because I'm telling you, I am a blue home decor kind of person. I got nothing against any other colors, but blue is my absolute favorite. Let me know down in the comments below which color do you like to decorate your home with. As you can see, they also have this beautiful glass vase which was £5.99, and I like how tall it is. It's a little bit different than what we've seen at other vases, other stores. Also the tray will be perfect for your island or even dining table, and you can decorate your Easter, your autumn, Christmas decorations. Also this stoneware dishes and bowls reminded me something from Denby. As you can see, the bowls were only £3.99, and I believe that the plate's a little bit cheaper. So as you can see now, showing you how it actually looks like. And then it also had dessert plates which are only £2.49, and dinner plates as well. And to go with them, and to go with the style of the vase, they had these tumbler glasses for only £3.99. And let me tell you that the candles smelled amazing. I mean, I was getting migraines, so I couldn't really smell all of them, which is a shame, but I did buy the beige one, which I think it's this one in the smallest size, and that one smells like soap, you guys. It smells so good. As you can see, these the largest candle is £12.99, and I just like it because you can reuse it. You can use it as a storage pen holder, you can use it as a pen holder, or even for like cotton buds or something like that. And how beautiful is this vase for $19.99, and how massive it is. They also had more baskets. I believe this was not in Mrs Hinch collection, but since my store didn't have much, I thought I'll include some of the other home decor items. And we all know January, every store brings out the storage collection and also storage solutions for us. And they also had this Easter welcome mat which was only £3.99, and it's a welcome on it. And also this cushion which was only £5.99. I'm not sure if it was supposed to be a lavender or something like that, but who knows. And also they had this vase at the top of the shelf which was £4.99, and I believe that one went viral last year because I couldn't get it last year, and then I did at the end, and I painted it white. They also have these beautiful candles which they smell like a stack of pancakes, and as you can see, got like one with waffle at the top. And this is my favorite plate. It's a tea and toast, and I think it was just very pretty for only £2.99. So then to go with the plate, they also have this breakfast club mug with the croissant as a handle, and this travel mug or for your water which was only £4.99. And if you do have coffee bar or you love breakfast, they had this neon sign. So I hope that you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next one. Bye friends.
You as you drive, do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up.